Hi, it's John with All Utah Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Told you the nice hot weather would be back. Well, it is. Well, speaking of heat, how's your water heater doing? We've been getting a lot of calls lately because I think the temperature of the water is changing. We cool down a little bit, that cools water a little bit, heats up, you get a half a degree or whatnot of the water, and then voila, it can start leaking or just acting funny. If your water heater isn't quite performing how you like it, give us a call, we'll come out and figure out what really is going on. Along with that, if it's leaking out of the bottom of it, well, there you go, you need a new one. Well, there's other alternatives too. You can get an on-demand hot water heater. Well, you've probably heard about it, but how it works is it only turns on the flames when the flow of the water is going through the on-demand water heater, which means it's not a tank style with a pilot. It literally, as water flows through it, it fires up. The more water that needs to go through it, the higher those flames get, and gives you constant hot water. It won't run out. Now that's a definite benefit, especially like if you have a garden tub or a jacuzzi tub that you like to use. Well, a lot of times that normal water heater won't fill the thing up and you're like, oh gosh dang it. And you're thinking, I need another water heater or something like that. Well, that's another solution that solves a few things for comfort levels, which would be constant hot water, along with not just a standing pilot, gas burning on a constant basis. So some people choose to do that. Now, it's not total scientific crazy, but there is sizing that has to be done and really looked at the house. So we'll come out and take a look, give you a price for that, and if it can be done or what can be done to accomplish that. Or again, if your water heater is just leaking, you want a replacement, we're here for you and we'll jump right on it and take care of it. We're open 24 hours a day, and I appreciate you watching. Remember to like and share, and see you on the next one.